Howdy folks, I'm Alan, and what I'm going to be doing is I'll be testing the coolant on this 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. And this was a rental vehicle at one time, and I don't think that cap has ever been taken off. It's hard to get off. So I'll get some gloves on. It's a little cold outside here. What you do, what I did, I got a very large channel lock prop pliers here. I put it tight over the cap here. Try not to slip and break it loose. Now I don't know if you have to do it all the time or not, but the first time I had to, and you keep screwing it off. While I'm doing this here. You got a gauge down here, I don't know if you can see it, where the minimum line is. It's above the minimum line, so I got enough in it. You can tell it's a evaporation tank, reservoir, what you want to call it, by this symbol right here. Okay. We bought both of these testers from Walmart. I read on Walmart app a review. They said this will have 4 balls floating even in tap water. So didn't really want to trust that. And then we picked up this one here, made by Prestone. So I'm going to put this hose in here and squeeze it. Make sure I get all the air bubbles out of it. And this thing is reading above 10 degrees. Well, got to hold this level there. Okay, it's reading 0 degrees protection. That's not too good. This antifreeze been here since this car was new, I'm pretty sure. And it's clear though. It's reading 0 protection. The ball point is between 250 and 258 Fahrenheit. They also got 127 and 128 Fahrenheit. And if you go back on this side here, in case you're over in Europe, it's reading minus 18 Celsius. Okay. Now, after you use these, rinse them off in hot water, warm water, actually not hot water, warm water. And don't let animals get a hold of your antifreeze. Now I'm going to use this one here. This cheapy one, this costs $1.57. Air bubbles out. Okay, this one is reading see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. 5 balls, it says minus 40 Fahrenheit. So they're both reading different. Okay, this one is reading good. So who do I trust? You know? Let me try this one again. This one is made by Prestone, so it should be better. Try this one again. Okay. That's the ball point. Okay, this one is reading. Oh, it's reading more now. Second time around, it's reading minus 20. That one was minus 40. This one was reading minus 40. This one is reading now minus 20. Interesting. I wonder if I do a third time, it will read more, higher. I don't know. I ain't gonna do it again though. Okay, put that aside here. I'm also topping off my battery. I'm doing that once a month. I had a battery problem before, so my Ford Ranger, and this AAA guy told me that if you don't drive highway speeds at least 30 minutes or more, your battery's not gonna get a full charge. And this one here, I was using a short distance, a mile there, a mile here, 5 days a week, and it was reading 60% charge, and I charged it a month ago. I'm charging these, topping off the charge every month, because the more your battery is low on charge, the more it's going to get eaten up inside. It's going to ruin your battery. Shelly's Avalanche, it was last month, it was like 40% charge. So okay, now what we're going to do, I got some water here, tap water. I'm going to stick this in here, the cheapy version. Come on, get some water in here. Okay, the cheapy version, plain tap water, showing four balls floating. Now we're going to do a water test on this and see how accurate it is. That one is showing nothing. So this is pretty accurate. This one is not. If this shows four balls floating in plain tap water, it's not telling the truth. This one is working, because it's not reading anything. Okay, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep coming back. I'm going to start having more of my Alan-Unleased channel. And that's all I got to show you for right now. Until next time. Later.